The Bulls fail to follow through on an incredible setup as the Bears take control and push it to the lows. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so first things first, this will be my last video this week as I will be on vacation the rest of the week and limited in my chat room, so don't expect to see market updates for Thursday and Friday. Okay, so the Bulls had an incredible setup to take this thing long as we anticipated they would, and they fumbled the ball at the goal line, giving the Bears a chance to take it, and they did, pushing it to new lows. So where do we go from here? We'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500, and I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so as I mentioned, the Bulls had a really great setup at the open and just fumbled the ball and got it run down by the Bears. And it was really kind of a messy day where they pushed to new lows and now are kind of bouncing off of that, but not really with any authority. So the best way to see this is in the charts. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute futures chart. And we talked yesterday about this awesome reversal right here. We got 5 waves up across. I told you it was very likely we would pull back to 44.50, which we did. Actually, we got an A, B, C down there perfectly. It was a really nice setup. And then the Bulls took off with it in what appeared to be the start of wave 3 up, which was really looking strong heading into the open. However, at the open, they sold it off, and then we saw the move down from there. So they are continuing to the downside as we speak, and we have not gotten the breakout we're looking for to the upside. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, the micro count is a bit of a mess. There is tons of overlap on the way down. There's a fake breakout out of the channel and then back into the channel, and now it's looking for another low. So this is looking like a very complex ending diagonal, and this is my best count that I can put on it for right now, but I can tell you it's not very reliable. It wouldn't be something that I'd be betting the house on for sure. So we got 1 down up here, and then 2 up, and then 3 down to here, okay, 4 up out of the channel, and now it looks like we're making our way down in 5 to the final low here in the 44.20, 44.15 area. And to be honest with you guys, I'm kind of hoping they do this right up until the market open, and then we get a bounce at the market open. So the last several days, we've had a really strong bounce going into the open, and then they have sold it off like crazy. So you can see up here, this was a bounce into the open, sold it off like crazy. This was a bounce into the open, they sold it off like crazy. This was a bounce into the open, they sold it off like crazy. So I want them to end that pattern, and so I kind of want them to finish this 5 wave and get a bounce at the open up so that we can start a rally from there and kind of get the cash market involved. Right now, the cash market is all selling. There is no buying in the cash market. So that's kind of what we're seeing is these big sell-offs once the cash market opens, the real trading, regular time trading hours, and then in the futures, they're pumping it back up so they can do it all over again. So what I'm looking for today is for them to complete the diagonal down, as I said, into that 44.20 to 15 region, and then try to bounce it from there to get the reversal and rally going. Now, if this reverses, as we think it will, it should be an incredibly strong reversal. We thought we had it here. This was a nice, strong reversal, pretty much straight up. And then we consolidated a little bit, pulled back in 2. Thought we had a nice 3-wave up, but did not follow through. So this is kind of what we're looking for, only even a little more aggressive. Remember yesterday I said I wanted this to push a little higher, and it didn't. Not a big deal that it didn't push higher, but it didn't follow through. So we would like this to be a pretty aggressive reversal off this diagonal if that's what's going to happen. Now, the alternate remains the same, guys. If it breaks through here, 4,400 is the key level. If it breaks below 4,400 with some momentum, then it is a free fall towards 4,200 because there's not much support under that. All right, guys, so that's what we're looking for in the next couple days is either the bounce off of the C wave here and up or the breakdown of 4,400 and down. All right, guys, if you like the information I put out in this video and you want real-time market updates from me, with the exception of the next few days as I'm on vacation, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It will take you over to Facebook. Once you get to Facebook, you need to get approved to get into my Facebook group, and the approval, all you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, come on over to Facebook. I'll get you approved and in the group. Once you get there, hit that announcements tab right in the middle you see here. Scroll down. You'll see our documented trade so you can see how we've been trading since the channel started, and then you will see a link to our Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel, so click that link and come on over, and that's where I give out real-time market updates, buy alerts, sell alerts. We interact with a bunch of talented traders in there, everyone from a beginner to an advanced trader with lots of different trading styles. We'd love to have you over there so we can make some money together. Okay, guys, key takeaways for today. It's a wonky pattern, but we're looking for it to finish this fifth wave down here into the 44.15 or 20 region. If that holds, we're looking for a strong reversal up out of there. If it does not hold, then 4,400 becomes our main support, and if that breaks, we are looking at a speed drop towards 4,200, and by the way, an amazing buying opportunity. All right, guys, that is the market update for the rest of the week. Again, I am on vacation the next few days, so I will see you next week.